Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Helen Moynihan, nutritional therapist and health coach. I'm based in Oxford, but I run a completely virtual clinic working mainly in women's health. I'm also a business mentor for other nutritionists at Zest for Life, and I'm a guest lecturer at the Institute for Optimum Nutrition. As we enter yet another phase, are you concerned about your physical and your mental health? I know from speaking to lots of you that it's hard working from home. There's been more temptations, you've been closer to the fridge, maybe not getting out to do the regular exercise that you used to do. Perhaps you've put on some weight over the last year. Maybe you've been less active. Have you been maybe allowed some bad habits to creep in? Perhaps wine every night of the week rather than just at the weekends. Maybe more takeaways than usual to take away the drudgery of thinking about what meal to cook next. It's worth considering that we all have the power to make a significant difference to both our physical and our mental health by making some simple changes to our diet and lifestyle. It really can impact the way that we feel. So as we come out of a lockdown, could this be an opportunity for you to focus on your own health and your own well-being? If ever there was a time for a healthful overhaul, then it must be now. I would love you to join me and Sarah Goldsack as we guide you through our 5 steps to super wellness. So Sarah is a wellness warrior and brings amazing positivity to the groups that we run. We're joining forces again to bring you a brilliant online group plan that starts on the 14th of June. I've been running these groups for over 4 years and they are such great fun. Participants come back over and over again as they really enjoy them and get so much from them. This plan is an opportunity for you to establish some really good healthy habits and to discover just how delicious healthy eating can be. As my 15-year-old daughter says, it's both nutritious and delicious. These meals are designed to help you feel lighter and brighter, to give you more energy and to help you sleep better, to support your immune system, of course, and reset your metabolism, and so much more. Many joined for weight loss, and the recipes do have a low glycemic load and are designed for this. But you can join for many other reasons as well. For example, for breakfast, we have a delicious savoury morning mashup or a crunchy granola. Lunch could be a summery courgette or stuffed peppers, and dinner could be ginger chicken or maybe a Mexican bean burger. There are also healthy snack ideas such as black bean muffins or a chocolate yogurt pot. We also have a bonus vegan recipe pack for those that prefer a plant-based diet. In these groups, there is no calorie counting or strict meal plans, just delicious tried and tested recipes and daily nutrition and lifestyle tips with a lovely fun group to keep you motivated. We have weekly Zoom sessions so that I can answer any questions, or Sarah and I can answer questions, and you'll get to know your group and really feel supported. Sarah and her group of fitness experts will provide you with online classes available whenever you want to do them. There's a whole mix of low impact and high impact classes, as well as stretching and short exercise snacks for you to fit them in when you can. I love the Parasize and Pilates classes, and she also does a beautiful stretch class on a Sunday morning. Each week we'll have a theme based on our 5 steps to super wellness. So we're going to start by tackling your cravings with your bonus ebook, Crush Your Cravings. Then we're going to go into movement, then hydration and some superfoods with some fun challenges. And then the final step is going to be how to age well. So this is brand new content for you. Here's some feedback from one of the last programs we ran. I have managed to lose a half a stone and 2 inches off my waist and hips. I'm so proud that I'm making healthy food choices, eating regularly and not eating secretly because I don't need to as I feel full. Here are some answers to some of the questions that people have asked me. First of all, do you need to be on Facebook? No, the plan is accessed through an app, either on your phone or through your web browser. It's not connected to Facebook. Sarah's classes are either available on Facebook or through a password protected website. Is it a strict plan? No, you'll have a recipe pack and breakfast, lunch and dinner ideas, but if you fancy having lunch for breakfast or breakfast for lunch, that's completely fine too. So are the recipes for the whole family is another question. Absolutely. Obviously it depends on how fussy your children are, but I've got, children myself, and we can adapt the recipes and add extra ones in as you need them. How will I measure my success? Well, first of all, we start by doing body measurements and a health and energy questionnaire at the beginning and the end. So it's a mixture of quantitative measurements and also basically how you're feeling. I'm a vegetarian. Will it suit me? So you will have a bonus recipe pack, and you can also adapt recipes that are in the pack. Any other questions, just message me, or you can book in the link that we're going to provide. And I really look forward to seeing you in the group.